Remote work isn't slowing down, it's evolving. And the highest paid work-from-home jobs today are nothing like they were 10 years ago. These 8 careers dominate the US remote work landscape. They pay well, they're in demand, and they're built for people who want freedom, flexibility, and long-term stability. Here's what each job does, why it pays so well, and the very first step someone should take if they want to break into the field. 1. Software developer. Software engineer. Software developers build the digital tools companies rely on. They write code, fix bugs, design features, and create the apps and systems that power modern business. This job pays well because the work is highly technical, and companies compete aggressively for skilled developers. Typical US earnings range from $120,000 to $180,000 a year. A degree is not required. First step, learn one beginner-friendly programming language like Python or JavaScript. 2. Senior digital marketing strategist. Paid social strategists run large advertising campaigns on Meta, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, and Google. They analyze performance, test creative ideas, and scale campaigns that generate revenue. Companies pay top dollar for people who can turn ad spend into profit. This job pays well because it directly influences sales. Typical US earnings range from $100,000 to $150,000 a year. A degree is not required. First step, run a small test campaign inside Meta Ads Manager to learn how targeting and budgeting work. 3. Product manager. Product managers guide the direction of digital products. They define features, prioritize roadmaps, coordinate engineering and design, and make sure the product solves real customer problems. This job pays well because product managers sit at the center of business, technology, and user experience. Typical US earnings range from $110,000 to $160,000 a year. A degree is helpful but not required. First step, create a simple product case study that identifies a problem and proposes a solution. 4. Data scientist, machine learning. Specialist. Data scientists analyze large data sets. They build predictive models and help companies make data-driven decisions. Machine learning specialists design algorithms that power automation and AI features. This job pays well because it's mathematically complex and technically demanding. Typical US earnings range from $130,000 to $200,000 a year. A degree is often preferred but not always required. First step, learn Python and practice analyzing small datasets using free tools like Jupyter Notebook. 5. Cybersecurity analyst. Cybersecurity analysts protect companies from cyber attacks. They monitor systems, investigate threats, patch vulnerabilities, and respond to incidents. This job pays well because breaches cost companies millions, and there's a severe shortage of qualified security professionals. Typical US earnings range from $110,000 to $170,000 a year. A degree is not required. First step, begin studying for the CompTIA Security Plus certification. 6. UX and UI designer. UX and UI designers shape how apps and websites look and feel. They conduct user research, build wireframes, design interfaces, and collaborate with developers to create intuitive digital experiences. This job pays well because companies compete on user experience. Good design increases conversions and customer satisfaction. Typical US earnings range from $90,000 to $140,000 a year. A degree is not required. First step, learn Figma and redesign the interface of an app you already use. 7. Financial advisor. Remote insurance professional. These professionals help clients choose insurance policies, retirement plans, and financial products. Many roles are fully remote with virtual meetings. This job pays well because income is often commission-based. Top performers can scale their earnings quickly. Typical US earnings range from $100,000 to $200,000 a year. A degree is not required. First step, get your state insurance license or begin studying for the Series 65 exam. 8. Cloud architect, DevOps engineer. Cloud architects design cloud infrastructure. DevOps engineers automate deployment, testing, and system reliability. Both roles support the backbone of modern digital companies. This job pays well because cloud systems run everything, and companies need experts who can build and maintain them. Typical U.S. earnings range from $130,000 to $190,000 a year. A degree is not required. First step, start with the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner or an equivalent beginner cloud certification. These 8 careers represent the highest paid remote opportunities in the United States today. They're not easy, but they're accessible. Each one begins with a single, simple step.